Do you often feel disrespected by people around you? Are taken advantage of frequently? And you want to know what you can do for others respect you and stop taking advantage of you? Then you are at the right place. At the end of this video, you will learn 7 ways to make people respect you and how to use them to your advantage. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin this video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Before we begin, let's take a quick mental exercise. Make a short list of the people you really respect and ask yourself why really respect them. It could be one of these reasons. Number 1. Respect yourself first. People are more likely to treat you the way you treat yourself. If you want to be respected by other people, you first have to treat yourself with respect. By treating yourself the way you want others to treat you, when you respect yourself, it shows. Others can see it in the way you carry yourself and take actions. If you want people to respect you in any situation, you have to show them that you respect yourself. Stop putting yourself down and be more confident about who you are. Number 2. Don't be over nice. You may think that being nice makes people to love you. Being over nice sends a signal to people that they can easily override you. Understand that you don't need to be nice all the time. This only makes others to take advantage over you. But this doesn't mean you have to be rude to others. Just simply know when you have to put yourself first and avoid people pleasing. Also learn to say no. You don't need to make excuses and explanation for saying no, and don't feel guilty about it. Number 3. Set boundaries. You should be able to set clear boundaries. This is something few people know how to do, but is important if you want to be respected. Be clear about what you will accept and what you can't tolerate from others. For instance, let's say your friend borrows an item from you and returns it in a poor condition. Does that show respect they have towards you? I don't think so. You need to set some rules when giving out your properties and discuss them with your friends before giving out your properties. They may not even be aware that their actions are not acceptable to you. You need to speak up and let them know. Number 4. Display confident body language. Confidence is key if you want to be respected. Your body language plays a big part in how others see you. This means keeping a good posture, sitting up straight, walking with your heads up and a straight back, and maintaining eye contact when talking to people. Speak clearly with confidence and use hand gestures when talking to people. For example, if you are biting your nails and constantly touching your face, one can see that you're nervous and insecure. Work on radiating confidence every chance you get, and people will begin to respect you in no time. Number 5. Speak up. People tend to take advantage of those that are not able to speak up for themselves. You have to speak up for yourself and not let others take advantage of you. So whenever you sense that you're being cheated on or you don't agree with something, don't be afraid to speak up and make sure you're treated rightly instead of brushing it off. Your priority is to ensure you're treated fairly. If you don't speak up, people will assume that you're okay with it and that they are allowed to get away with anything they say or do. Number 6. Be authentic. Honor your words. For you to be respected, you have to be a person of your words. People will respect those who are reliable and keep to your words. That means if you say you're going to do something, you need to stick to your words and do it without giving excuses. As soon as you are known for consistently keeping to your words, you will be respected for it. This will make a big difference to your reputations. Stop being that person who disappoints at last minute and never keeps to their words. Number 7. Add value to others' lives. If you want people to respect you, have to be able to add value to their lives. Means being helpful and being able to solve other people's problems, thereby improving the lives of people around you instead of being a source of negativity. This is not the same as being a people pleaser, because you're not doing things against your will or at the detriment of your happiness. When people know you as someone who adds value to their lives, they are more likely to treat you with respect. So which of these steps do you need to put into action? Let us know in the comments section down below. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video.